I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to download a video you posted to TikTok. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Profile in the menu on this screen. You'll land on your TikTok profile screen. Step 2. Tap to open the video you posted to TikTok that you want to download a copy of. Step 3. Tap the ellipses on this screen to open a menu and then tap Download. That video will be downloaded to the camera roll on your iPhone or iPad or the photo gallery on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.